If you're wondering how to use your Instagram edits for business in 2026, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open your edits application and simply go ahead and open the post that you want to make for your business. Now, let's just imagine this is a video. So there are a lot of things that you can do. It depends on what you really want. You can add text. So for example, combo for 599, let's just say something like that right over here. You can simply go ahead and add text just like that for your business offer. You can also add voiceovers if you want to. You can link your business profile directly right over here onto the video. You can also add captions if you are talking and you have a talking head video. You can add multiple different filters just like that. You can also go ahead and play around with a lot of different settings like adjust, where you can play around with your colors. You can add clarity, highlights, shadows, contrast, brightness, and many more. White balance, your hue, saturation, luminance, your style, wheels, curves, and many more. So it is as simple as making a post with your edits and exporting it directly to Instagram. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel